We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as pharmaceutical. You do want to stress on the third syllable, on the su syllable, pharmaceutical. In American English, however, this is normally pronounced as pharmaceutical. Pharmaceutical. Note the su sound here rather than the su sound. Pharmaceutical in American English versus pharmaceutical in British English. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.